Hi there, this is Mike Coval, and welcome to Tuesday's market commentary for May 5th, 2009. Let's go ahead and take a look at the charts of the S&P 500 and the Dow and the NASDAQ. Alright, I've got a chart up here of the S&P 500, which was down just a little bit today, about 3.5 points, with the Dow down 16 points and the NASDAQ down here down about 9.5 points. Fairly flat day overall. What we really had here was although it was a slightly down day, it was actually a bullish day if you think about it. We had a really strong day yesterday, and today we didn't sell off, even though we had some mixed economic news, and we kind of remained right about that 900 level. In fact, the S&P 500 closed above 900, and the Dow just a little under 8,400, but it looks like we'll probably get another rally here coming through. So we'll take a look here at our resistance and support levels. I'm going to call resistance right back up through here at these January highs, and that's right around 943, and support's going to be all the way back down to about 780, which will be right back down this level through here. So we've got 983 for resistance and support down here at 780, and because we're right here at pretty close to those highs at 943, and we're pretty close to them right in through here, I'm going to say I'm a little more neutral, only because we're so overbought. I'm not really bearish overall because we continue to move higher, and every little pullback is followed by a higher high and a higher low. So I'm going to say I'm a little more neutral because we're already at these highs. We're pretty close to these highs right now. But until we start to roll over, I'm not going to be bearish. Until we break up through this 943, I'm not going to go bullish. So I would expect us to maybe go a little higher, about 943, now that we've broken through 900, and hit that level and then start to pull back. At that part, I'll probably be short-term bearish at that point. But for the moment, I'm going to be short-term neutral and long-term neutral as well until we see if we're going to break through 940 or start to pull back. And my thought is we'll probably reach just below 940 and then start to pull back. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at the NASDAQ and see how that looks for us. And here's our NASDAQ coming across. Right now it's down about 9 points. I'm going to go short-term neutral here as well, and I'm going to call resistance at the 1786 level, which kind of takes us all the way back here through October, November highs right back in through here. So we're going to call resistance up here at 1786 and support all the way down at 1612, which is right back through these highs coming back through here in December, January. So that's going to be our trading range right here, and you see we're pretty close to the top right now. Not exactly at it, but we're really close to it. So we could probably move another 30-40 points on the NASDAQ before we start to roll over just a little bit. So I'm going to call this one here short-term neutral because we're already near the ceiling. Bullish if we break up through it. Short-term bearish when we start to bounce down off of it. But right now I'm going to go short-term neutral because we're near the ceiling, and long-term neutral until I find out we're going to come back down and break beneath this, or we're going to come back above this. And if we move above that, I'll go long-term bullish. All right, hope that helps. Let's take a look at the Dow. Now we'll pass the Dow this time. Hope that helps, and good luck with your trading.